Number 1 Barn Owl, Tyto alba. The barn owl, Tyto alba, is one of the most widespread owl species, found in nearly all parts of the world except for desert and polar regions. Distinguished by its heart-shaped, white face, this medium-sized owl has golden-brown upperparts and grayish-white underparts. Barn owls are silent predators of the night, using their exceptional hearing to locate prey even in complete darkness. Their diet consists mainly of small mammals, particularly rodents. Unlike many owl species, barn owls don't hoot but instead produce a chilling, raspy screech, which has often been associated with bad omens in folklore. They are cavity nesters, often choosing to roost and raise their young in barns, old buildings, and tree hollows, hence their name. Number 2 Tawny Frogmouth, Podargus strigoides. The tawny frogmouth, Podargus strigoides, is a unique bird native to Australia, known for its large yellow eyes, wide beak, and cryptic plumage. Despite its appearance and nocturnal habits, it's not an owl, but a member of the nightjar family, which is more closely related to swifts and swallows. During the day, the tawny frogmouth perches on tree branches, camouflaging itself as part of the tree, and hunts for insects, spiders, worms, and snails at night. They have a distinct low, humming call that can often be heard during the evening and at night. The tawny frogmouth is recognized for its mottled gray, white, black, and rufous feathers, which provide excellent camouflage, making them look like a broken tree branch. Number 3 Eastern Screech Owl, Megascope sasio. The eastern screech owl, Megascope sasio, is a small, nocturnal owl species native to North America, from the Rocky Mountains to the Atlantic coast. It comes in 2 distinct color morphs, a gray phase and a rufous, or red, phase, aiding in camouflage against tree bark. Despite its name, the eastern screech owl doesn't actually screech. Instead, it has a series of soft whinnies and low, even trills. This owl is a versatile hunter, taking a variety of prey ranging from insects and small rodents to birds and even reptiles, hunting mostly at night. The eastern screech owl nests in tree cavities and is well known for its willingness to use nest boxes provided by humans, making it a frequent resident in suburban areas. Number 4 Northern Saw-Whet Owl, Aegolius acaticus. The northern saw-whet owl, Aegolius acaticus, is a small, nocturnal owl species found across North America, from southern Alaska and Canada through the United States to central Mexico. Recognizable by its brown plumage, white facial disc, and large, yellow eyes, the northern saw-whet owl is named for one of its calls that sounds similar to the whetting of a saw. This owl is a patient hunter, often perching in a tree and waiting for small prey such as mice and voles. Occasionally, they'll also eat insects and small birds. Although quite common, the northern saw-whet owl is elusive and not easily spotted due to its small size and preference for dense forests, making any sighting a treat for bird watchers. They are solitary birds, only coming together for mating, and are known for their distinctive rhythmic tooting song during courtship. Number 5 Nightjar, Caprimulgidae family. Nightjars are medium-sized nocturnal or crepuscular birds belonging to the family Caprimulgidae, with over 90 species spread across the world. They are characterized by their long wings, short legs, and very short bills, which open wide to reveal a large gape for catching insects in flight, their primary food source. Nightjars are famously known for their incredible camouflage. Their mottled, cryptic plumage helps them blend perfectly into the leaf litter during the day. Many species are known for their unique, often haunting vocalizations, like the chirring song of the European nightjar or the whippoorwill's namesake call. Their lifestyle and eerie calls have led to many cultural superstitions and folklore, earning them names such as goatsucker due to the ancient belief that they suck milk from goats. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring. Subscribe. World Identify.